सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ FEM, प्रोग्राम BSc B.Ed, PCM, 5th Sem, and course is Pedagogy of Mathematics, and session of today is difference between the pure and applied mathematics. So pure mathematician try to generalize and make more abstract the pre-existing concept. They delve deeper into seemingly simplistic mathematics. There are two things that can be done with a concept or an idea. You can go uphill or you can go downhill. Pure mathematician goes downhill. Let us say that we have the Cartesian coordinate system. A pure mathematician defines a field of number, develop the concept of vector, define vector space, find some of the properties of vector space, generalize to functional space, define Hilbert space, and so on. On the other hand, an applied mathematician would find how to use of these things, these logic, how to use this concept of Cartesian coordinate system to solve some real world problem. In other words, how can this mathematical concept be applied? So learner, here it is very important to know pure mathematicians defines some logical things and develop these logical concepts, and pure mathematician is how to use these concepts in the real world problem. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस ये है कि प्योर मैथमेटिशियन उन लॉजिक्स को खोजता है, उनकी रिसर्च करता है, उनको अस्तित्व में लाता है, जबकि प्योर मैथमेटिशियन उनको किस तरह से अप्लाई करके रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम को हम किस तरह से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं उन लॉजिक को यूज करके। ये दोनों में बेसिक डिफरेंस है। इन द लाइट ऑफ द एबव एग्जाम्पल दे मे रियलाइज दैट क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स इज हैविंग some sort of link with linear algebra, incorporate the concept of Hilbert space, get more result out of the equation. Applied mathematics, like pure mathematics, plays a crucial role in science. In physics, many concepts of pure mathematics are now applied. So in a sense, physics is applied mathematics. In physics, there is so many applications of math in real world problems. So this is the applied mathematics. Take an example of general theory of relativity, differential geometry. In higher abstract space is used extensively, and now even topology is used. Another example, group theory. This is in abstract algebra, a pure mathematics step, but used extensively in physics and chemistry. So use of these logic is pure mathematics. So the work of an abstract mathematician is to apply these abstract, seemingly unrelated concepts to problem faced in science or in real life. One other thing applied mathematician usually do is create mathematical model. A mathematical model is a description of a system using mathematical concept and language. It may seem from my answer that pure mathematics and applied mathematics are somewhat different things. The reality too is not quite so. It is often hard to distinguish between the two because there is a huge overlap. दोनों में थोड़ा डिफरेंस भी है और चीज़ें थोड़ी सी ओवरलैप होती हैं कि वो ही चीज़ लॉजिकल थिंग्स हैं, उन्हीं लॉजिकल थिंग्स से हम एप्लीकेशन पे जाते हैं, तो दोनों चीज़ें हैं एक ही, और तो कुछ वो ओवरलैप भी करती हैं और कुछ चीज़ों में डिफ्रेंशिएट किया जा सकता है, इसलिए प्योरली डिफ्रेंशिएबल नहीं है. This is the roughly what a pure mathematics student is required to study before research. I think you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.